Good morning. This is the video for comparing and ordering numbers up to 1 million. So we start off with two place value charts with different counters in different columns. And Danny says that A is bigger than B, so that's A, this is B, because A uses more counters. Explain why Danny is wrong. So we get told that she is wrong, but you've got to explain why she's wrong. Why is this one greater than that one? Number 2 is to circle the smallest number in each pair. So just look at these two, which one's the smallest, and so on as you go down. Number 3, you just need to write down all of these in order. In this question, it's asking to start with the smallest number and go to the greatest. So which one is the smallest one out of those, then the next one, and so on. Here, you're writing it in the opposite way around. So you're writing the biggest number first, and then going down to the smallest. And then what do you notice about the answers to part A and part B? In question 4, they're asking you to circle the greatest number in each list. So that's the list for A. Which one of those is the greatest number? And then here it's asking you to say which columns did you look at and why. So when it says columns, it means like the place value columns. So the tens of thousands, let me get a dot here. So that's the tens of thousands, the thousands, the hundreds, the tens, and the ones. Which column do you look at to see which one's biggest in each line? Okay. Then looking at question 5, you're using the less than and greater than symbols to compare pairs of numbers. So which one's great? So you just put in one of those symbols into each circle to say what is greater than or less than. For number 6, you're trying to put the house prices in order from least expensive to the most expensive. So just check those numbers there. Which one's the lowest? That'd be the least expensive, and then moving your way up towards the most expensive house. Here you're looking at a very similar thing, putting number cards in order from the smallest to greatest. So the smallest number would go in this box, and then so on until you've got the biggest number here. For question 8, you've got a Venn diagram here, or sorting diagram. She puts the numbers into it. So this circle here should have numbers that are less than 70,000. This number, so this circle here should have numbers that are greater than 120,000. And then you've got a bit of overlap here. So this is supposed to be the place where you'd put numbers that follow both rules. So for A, it says write the numbers in the diagram. The first one's been done for you. So it's taken this one here and it's put it in the circle where it has numbers greater than 120,000. Then you've got these others ones to put in where you think they should go in the circle. And then B is asking, are there any numbers that go in the overlapping section? So that's this bit kind of here. Oh dear. Yeah, like that. And then you've got to explain why. So are there any numbers can go in there, and explain why. And then finally for number 9, the first bit is circle all the digits that can replace the missing digit. So you've got a blank bit there, and it's saying here that this number here is greater than this number here. So what numbers could go in there to make sure the thing stays true? And then you just circle which ones would go in there. And then finally, you've got the same digit is missing in each number. So you've got those numbers here. Circle all the digits it could be. So you've got to think, so here it's less than here, and this is also less than there. So what numbers could go in there? Remember, it's the same one for each one, but it could be more than one answer, if you see what I mean. Okay, hopefully that's been helpful, and let me know if you need any more help through the Class Dojo or email or whatever. Okay, bye-bye.